Hello. So this video it's about how to create a terrain that is ready for 3D print with the minimum material. So this is actually the intended shape that we want to get. So as you can see, it's only a thin shell of a 2 mm thickness, which is the minimum thickness for 3D print, with a flat base. So this is what we want to achieve. And let's start off with a plane that we created, this one, and set the segments to around 40 or more. And then we're going to apply an edit poly onto it. Then go into the vertex mode with a short key 1, and turning on soft selection. Okay, so we can just turn off the fall off. So turn over even the smaller. It's about right. So okay, this might be the. And then select the area that you want it to have some heights, and then you can, with a short key W, you can move it upward. And then we can select like other areas on the side to give it a bit more like depth. So we can see this is what we can do. And then you can do it to the side as well. So just really play around with whatever terrain that you like as well. Okay, all of that. Great. And then, okay, there we have it, the general form. And then the slope selection could be turned off because we don't need it anymore. Then we can go into the border and then select the outer border. Then we can extrude that and move that down as well. Extrude that. Yeah. And move that down. And then what we want is a flat base, because this is not yet a flat base. It's only an extruded surface. So we go down to this roll down menu and go into make planar. And there we go. Now we have this flat base. And so this is now this is only upon a surface. So what we want to do is add a thickness to it. So we need a shell modifier. It gives a thickness. So with an amount set to 2 mm, which would be the minimum for 3D print. And then so there we have it. And then we can export this out. Go File, Export Selected. Then we can save it as an OBJ file. And then we can save, okay, export, and then done. So after exporting, we can actually use another software called MakerBot Print to check our file. So position our file for submission to 3D print. So go File and Insert File. So it actually reads these all kind of file types. So SEL, IGES, and also an OBJ. So let's import an OBJ in. And okay. Then there we have it. Maybe it's a bit too small right now. We're just gonna scale it up a bit. Let's go to 2000. Then we can rotate it to this. Okay. So there doesn't seem to be any problem with the file. But if you see any like errors or like transparent materials, you can. There's actually a website which we could go to and just fix our files there, and it would be the NetFab online. So basically just sign in with your Google account and then upload your 3D model with error, That will automatically fix your file and allow you to download a fixed file that is ready for 3D print. So yeah, basically this would be the method for a quick and easy way to 3D print a terrain with a minimum of materials. So students have to pay less, which we pay the very best thing. And yeah, thank you for watching and happy all.